Wow, this is Vegan's water fountain and light show. We were able to witness this show when we visited Vegan last December. So they have converted their park or some portion of their park into this very nice and fun to watch water fountain show. The show is just for free for bystanders and other tourists. You can just go there with your family and friends to witness the very nice and refreshing water fountain show at Vegan. You can also eat your favorite empanada, a street food in Vegan, or the bibingka royal or royal bibingka, or the puto kalasyaw or tutig while watching this very fun and nice water fountain and light show at Vegan. Your kids will also like this because it's so colorful, and yes, it's very natural. It's just a water fountain, and you can also buy toys nearby. There are lots of vendors selling kids toys, light toys, like the one my daughter is showing us now. So just go to Vegan every December and you'll witness this all-time favorite light show and water show. Thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel and you like my content today, please do like and subscribe, and you can follow me every day or every upload I have in my channel. Hope you like it, and see you again soon. Bye! Take care!